Hello today, and this is a full review of the NZXT Phantom 410 case. This is fully built now, so what we're going to do is take you around the PC. Oh, don't worry about that. So here we are, let's have a look at the front. Open that, I really like this. So what we got is a DVD writer and 5¼ media dashboard, which was out of an old PC, which a lot of these parts were out of another case, but I like this case because it was so, and I got it at a good price, so yeah, so worth getting. So we look down here, we've got two fans in the front there, on the side we've got a fan here, one at the back, but we're going to go inside the case in a minute, so we're just going to take you around the case itself. So what we got here, fan controller, 3 different speeds, you've got 2 USB 3 ports, 2 USB 2 ports, microphone and headphones, standard on any case. But if we look at the case, it's pretty tall. We'll compare it to my HFX, you know, it ain't, the HFX ain't that much taller actually. It's a little bit dark, I don't know why. It flashes going, I don't know why it seems so dark, yeah. So there's the HFX, that's my main computer, and there's this, it's quite a tall case. We're going to power it on, so we're going to have a look what else I've done. So we look up the top here, there was a standard fan there, but I've added another fan. So we've got 2 extractors up the top. I've added, you can see that, and cold cathode red light there, and one behind there. I'll open the case up soon. So yeah, let's have a look around the back. So we've got another extractor, the standard back. So we've got this is on the motherboard. There's our graphics card. More USB 3.0s and more USB 2s, and power supply at the bottom. So got it connected to the TV at the moment. So we're going to pause the video and we're going to go inside the case. Here we are, we're inside the case. So yep, I know I've got messy cables as usual. I just don't have a chance to make a good job of cable management. Should do, because I've always had a lot of complaints about it. Oh well, I can deal with it. So what motherboard we're running on? I've got a few of these motherboards because I think these are a very good price, and we're going to have a look. It's the Asus M5A97 LE R2.0 motherboard. These are very good motherboards. They only cost just over 50 quid, and they can run anything up to AMD FX processor, meaning the highest I've ever had was the 8350, which is running in the another PC, which I've done a review on. That's the SIT Vanquish. These are running the same motherboard, and I know they can run up to an 8350, and which is almost a 4 gigahertz processor, just over a 4 gigahertz processor. But this one is a 150 8-core processor. That was out of another older machine, the Firebox machine. Well, sadly, well, not sadly, it blew. I think it overheated, but that was the motherboard that went in it. So never mind about that. So let's have a look at the case itself. Inside we've got 2. So the standard fan that come with it, and that's the other fan. I got these are 130, I think they're 120 or 130 millimeter, or 140. I think they're 140 actually. I can't bloody remember, because they're the standard 120 millimeters at the back. So what else we have? So we've got 2 in the front. I don't know if you can see that. There's 2 in the front. We have 1 there, which is blowing or sucking air up. We have 1 there, which is sucking air, well, coming from the front intake fan, so that's sucking more air into near the CPU, because you can angle this fan, which I think is a good touch, but unfortunately I've got so many cables in the way. As I say, I've got to do something about my cable management. And here's the other cold cathode laying here, give it a little bit more light. And we've also got a side fan, which you can, it's 120, but you can have 140 or 130, whatever them. Can't remember the size now. I should know, but oh well. So what we got down here is our Corsair CX 750M power supply unit, which is semi-modular, which is good. I like a fully modular would have done, but I'm not going to spend the money on a fully modular, but this does a very good job. So let's have a look. We've got a NVIDIA, I think it's a GT220 graphics card, which is out of one of really old computers. You know, it's not a very good graphics card, but it does the job. I want to play basic gaming, it does the job very well. So we got our USB 3 card here, and down here is a USB 2 card with that thing sticking out there is a Bluetooth receiver. Yep, so it's good. I'm really happy how much I paid for this case. So let's have a look what we got here. So here we got a solid state drive. Unfortunately you do have to get a bracket to put these in, because I don't think these cases do come with a bracket for, what's that? Oh, it's just a slide. Yeah, don't worry about that. Yeah, you have to provide a bracket to put a 2-inch drive in. And we got 2 additional hard drives here, and we've got a lot of space for hard drives if you want to put more in. So it's a really good case, I think. So I think we showed. Oh yeah, we showed you that last time. That's good, because that just keeps it neat and tidy. That really looks good. Very good touch. I think that's it really. As we see the back of the DVD drive there. So these are all quick, you know, don't need tools or nothing like that, screws. These are all quick. Unfortunately the bay, the 5¼ USB card reader, whatever you want to call it, the dashboard, you do have to put a screw in, because it doesn't, as you see, that's how far back they go. They don't come far back as the DVD writers, but you know, a little screw there holds it in place, no problem. So that's why they probably provided holes for screws just in case, which is good. That's good, yeah. So absolutely well happy with this case. In total we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fans in total with this case. Let's have a look at the side. So you get a little window there, and I think I've mentioned before, you can have a larger 140mm or 130mm in the fan there. Unfortunately you can't with the extractor. Yeah, very happy with this case. Very good. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you want to get one of these cases, because I would. I know they cost about I think on the 80 quid mark, near enough the 80 quid mark, but I would say that would be 80 quid worth spending, I'd say. But yeah, good case, like it. Thank you very much for watching. Till next time, and goodbye.